State Edison one's been issued.
Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. This is No Weather Radio K.
Whoa! Fail! Fail.
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Medina County in northeastern Ohio, northeastern Ashland County, northern Wayne County in northeastern Ohio, until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lodi, or 13 miles southwest of Medina, moving south at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Medina, Rittman, Lodi, Creston, West Salem, Chippewa Lake, Seville, Westfield Center, Spencer, Gloria Glens Park, Burbank, Congress, Roseburg, Chippewa on the Lake and Briarwood Beach. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Medina, and Wayne. This is No Weather Radio K.